way. 3 finals coming your way. Don't go anywhere. Never know what you're going to see, and we got another unpredictable final round coming up here in Top Fuel Dragster.
And we begin with the 11,000 horsepower nitro burning Top Fuel Dragsters. Justin Ashley, Shawn Langdon. This is going to be epic. This is the 42nd annual Lucas Oil Nationals from beautiful Brainerd International Raceway. They were partying at the zoo. Justin Ashley will be partying tonight if he can get the win. This will be his 3rd Top Fuel win of the season if he can get it done, but he knows it's no easy task to get by Langdon and the Coletta Air crew. This will be the 14th overall win for Ashley all time here in the NHRA. He would also be in position to move to number 3 in points heading into Indy. A lot is riding on this final round. Let's find out who's getting the trophy here in Brainerd. Ashley out in front. Ashley pulling away. Problems. Langdon at the big end. Ashley goes 374, 329 miles an hour to take out Langdon's 402 at 267.
Win of the season for Justin Ashley. That's 3 straight wins, 2 for the left lane. How about that? 374, 329, and that'll send the Brainerd fans out of here happy. Remember, this is the home of the zoo. A wild party was had last night. I didn't partake in that. We'll see how many. Somebody might be headed home for a couple aspirins and an early bedtime tonight because they party hard here at this drag strip. We got a big one coming in funny car. Here comes Blake Alexander, getting ready to go. Final preparations being made. In the other lane, out of Tony Stewart Racing, the incomparable Matt Hulk Hagan. This is gonna be a race. Hagan has been red hot, just like Glenn has been in pro stock. Hagan has been so tough to beat in funny car. This is gonna be an epic tilt for the Wally here in Brainerd. I've been to a lot of drag strips. This is my first trip to Brainerd. I gotta say, this place is cool. Great fan base up here. You have to drive a long way to get here, about 2.5 hours from Minneapolis, but you get up here and they love their racing. They certainly do.
This is going to be an incredible showdown. Blake Alexander in the head funny car. This will be sweet redemption for him following that horrific explosion in Sonoma. You know Blake wants nothing more than to get the Wally right here in Brainerd, but he's got a very, very tough competitor in the other lane. As for Matt Hagan, he has had a journey to get to the final. Struggled a little bit in qualifying, but was able to battle back. He defeated Ron Capps, Daniel Wilkerson, and J.R. Todd to reach his 4th final of the year, 91st all-time. Hagan has been red hot for Tony Stewart Racing, a threat to win any event at any given time. It is the American Rebel Light Back Funny Car, and this is going to be worth the price of admission. Alexander and Hagan both looking to grab that last Wally before we get to Indy. Who will seize the momentum? Hagan goes red. Hagan goes red. A rare mistake for Tony Stewart Racing. Hagan might have blipped that throttle. You don't see that often. Alexander takes the win. 392.
Well, guys, that just shows you as hot as Matt Hagan is, it is so easy to make a mistake in this sport. He double blipped on the starting line, a red light. That's why he shut it down. Good move by him. The race was over. Saved the parts. Blake Alexander goes a 392, 324 miles an hour. What do you think, man? You have fun? What do you think? Did you have fun? Yeah, there we go, there we go.
We're not done yet, because here comes Pro Stock. Let me know how you like Pro Stock compared to the Nitro categories down below in the comments.
Here we go, guys. We got Dallas Glenn left lane. He has been red hot, tough to beat. The track's a little difficult. It's hot. Anything can happen. Who's taking home the Wally?
Dallas Glenn leading the points. Mason McGaha, always tough on the tree. Who's going to take the win? Oh, Mason appeared, to have a problem. Unfortunately, Dallas gonna get the win. Dallas Glenn, 661, 206 miles an hour.
Well, Mason McGaha had the whole shot, guys. Unfortunately, a mechanical problem cost him. And you know, if you see a bobble like that in pro stock, it is over. Maybe in the Nitro categories, you never know what's going to happen. Somebody could pedal it and come back around. Very rarely will you see that in pro stock. Congratulations, Dallas Glenn, 661, 206 miles an hour.
Oh, and I love it when the return road's in front of the grandstands. There's your funny car winner.
Here comes Team Dallas Glenn back. Great win by them. Getting it done. Definitely no shame at all. Great job by this team. We saw them testing. They always work hard, guys. They will be back. Factory Stock Showdown.
Little bonus coverage for you here, and we are door to door. This final living up to the hype. Factory stock, top end of the racetrack, win light, give it to the Budweiser lane. 781.
781 to a 790, his first ever Wally. You know that has got to be so special. Look at all the fans that have hung out. Shout out to them. A lot of the fans at a lot of national events, they totally clean out the place after Nitro, but there's a nice crowd sticking here.
What a great fan base. I love areas like this. 2 hours north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. You know they probably don't get many events per year, but this is one so many look forward to, and that's why we're sticking with it. Check it out. Checking out some stock Eliminator, old school Corvette Camaro, left lane. And yes, if you have never been to an NHRA national event, they run a lot more than the Nitro cars and the Pro Stock motorcycles and the Pro Stock cars. There's this type of action going on as well. Budweiser lane again gets the win. Wow.
If I was just coming up right now, I'd make sure I'm in that left lane because the left lane is cleaning up.
This is something cool that we have noticed in these northern areas, Michigan, Minnesota. You get a ton of snow. There are so many high-performance snowmobiles. They drag race on snow and ice in the winter, but what are you going to do in the summer? Well, you convert it to go asphalt racing, and it's pretty cool. The NHRA invited these guys out to put on a show, 8th mile category, and they are wild. Look at that. 486, 140. Would you do it? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments. That is one wild ride.
0.6 of a second. Finally, we get a right lane winner. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this content. We do this all the time. We go anywhere where there's cool races. Check out our desert racing. Check out our supercross, our motocross, all of our NGPC, and of course, our drag racing right here. If you want to come along on my journeys, all you got to do is smash subscribe, bell on, don't miss a thing. If you like that video, here's another one for you. Subscribe right in the middle, and you know if there's anything racing, Racing Jack is in from Brainerd, Minnesota. Cycle Drag. Hold on.